I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn biology on your own, step by step. First, establish a strong foundation by focusing on core concepts. Start with the basics, such as cell biology, genetics, and evolution. Many free online resources and introductory textbooks can guide you. Aim for consistent study, perhaps 1 hour each day, to build a solid understanding before moving to more complex topics. This initial phase is crucial for long-term retention and deeper comprehension. Once you have the fundamentals, it's time to explore specific areas that interest you. Perhaps human anatomy, plant biology, or microbiology. Supplement your reading with engaging educational videos and documentaries, which can bring complex ideas to life. Don't hesitate to join online forums or study groups. Discussing concepts with others can clarify doubts and deepen your understanding. Active engagement is key to mastering diverse biological topics. To truly learn biology, you must actively engage with the material. Regularly test yourself using practice questions and quizzes to identify areas needing more attention. Consider simple home experiments, like observing plant growth or microscopic life, to see principles in action. A powerful learning technique is to explain concepts to someone else. This forces you to organize your thoughts and articulate ideas clearly. Consistent application reinforces what you've learned. As you progress, challenge yourself with more advanced topics such as molecular biology, immunology, or even bioinformatics. These fields often involve complex data and require specialized tools or software for analysis. Continuously seek out new research and developments to stay current. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals linked in the description below. Keep exploring and expanding your biological knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.